everybody. Welcome! Welcome! Welcome!
Welcome, welcome, welcome.
Okay. Welcome to the class. Go find a seat.
Find a seat, please.
All right, children, welcome back to class.
Welcome to class. I'm Miss LaFontaine.
Wait.
What class is this?
Anyone know what this is, class? Anyone?
Is this sailing class?
This is world class.
I am Josh.
I'm Josh. Joshua.
I'm Nick.
Josh.
I'm your teacher.
I'm your homeroom teacher, obviously. My name is Mr. Presbalewski.
No, I'm your teacher. I only teach you.
I'm your coach and your teacher.
I'm still your teacher, Buffy.
You are not my mother, and you are not my teacher.
What is your name?
What is your name?
My name is Sir Lancelot of Camelot.
What's your name?
What is your name?
Come on, son. What is your name?
What's your name, son?
My name is...
My name is...
My name is Matt.
It's not Mary. My name is Matt.
Matt. Who is Matt?
I don't know.
I don't get it! What's your phone number, Jimmy?
Your phone number.
What is your home address and phone number?
No address, no phone number. And chicks dig the uniform shit.
Say your phone number.
My phone number is below.
This is my phone number.
11111.
You and Eric need to be able to talk about this. I'm sure.
Hello.
Hello.
This is Sally Calypso.
This is Sally.
This is my wife, Sally.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you!
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Goodbye, Sally.
Goodbye, Sally.
Bye, I love you, Sally.
Okay, thank you.
Bye, Sally.
What a nice girl.
Wait, where's my purse? My purse!
Nice.
Bye, Kathleen.
Annabelle. Bye, Matt.
Bye.
Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye.
Bye, dust buddies. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye.
How are you?
Good.
Good.
How are you?
How are you?
How are you?
Yeah, pretty good, I guess.
I am good.
Am I good or am I good?
What about you?
What about you?
About you.
I am? Great.
I am well.
I'm well.
I am well.
Thanks. Thank you. Thanks.
See you later. See you later.
See you later.
See ya.
See you later.